In today's video, I'm going to teach you about Siteground's pricing structure for 2025. Understanding the real cost of Siteground beyond just the advertised prices can help you make an informed decision if you're considering them for your web hosting needs. So let's dive in and explore the steps to uncover these costs clearly and concisely. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Siteground's main site. You can easily get there by typing in Siteground into your browser's search bar, or by following the URL provided in the video description. This will take you to a page titled Web Hosting Perfected. This is the central hub for discovering everything Siteground offers. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it's where we'll start this pricing journey. Once you've landed on their main page, the next step is logging into your Siteground account. Look towards the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the login button. Clicking on login will prompt you to enter your credentials, so make sure you have your email and password handy. If you're not yet a registered user, you may need to create an account to proceed. After logging in, head over to the Siteground home. This section acts as your dashboard where you can manage your hosting services and explore the different packages they offer. Understanding what's included in each plan will provide a clearer picture of what meets your specific requirements. Next, navigate to the marketplace. This can be accessed easily from your Siteground home. The marketplace is crucial because it showcases all the available plans, add-ons, and additional services that Siteground offers. This step is key to understanding the full range of products and their associated costs. Once you're in the marketplace, one helpful thing to do is check out the most popular section. Click on this link to view the plans that are most frequently chosen by Siteground customers. Here you'll see an array of featured services, giving you an indication of what is in demand and may be beneficial for your own needs. When exploring these options, pay close attention to any notes or asterisks that might indicate extra fees or conditions that apply after any introductory period. By following these steps, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of Siteground's pricing structure and figure out how it aligns with your needs. Remember that while the listed prices give a baseline, factors like service renewals or added features can alter the cost. Hopefully this insight has empowered you to make more informed decisions regarding your web hosting solutions. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below.